Hey guys, my name is Kukulo Tisitole and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm showing you how I achieved this bob, how I achieved this style. Guys, these are lock nuts. Guys, my hair is freshly washed and yeah, let's just get into it. The first thing I'm going to do, guys, is to just grab one lock and fold it down and just start twisting it. Not too much, guys, not too much, and just twist it around. And then, guys, I'm just going to grab this other piece and just wrap it around the lock. It's that simple. I'm just going to wrap it going upwards, like going towards the roots, like the ends of my lock. So guys, when I get to the top, I'm just going to insert my lock into the loop that we created. See where there's a finger, I'm going to remove a finger and insert my lock in there, just to secure you guys. Okay, the first one is done. I'm just going to do the another one. Guys, I'm going to do about a total of 5, just to show you guys how it's done. And yeah, I'm going to do the rest of camera. We're just gonna do the same thing. I'm just spraying my hair with water because guys, I did tell you my hair is freshly washed, but I feel like it's not as wet as I want it to be, so that's why I'm spraying it with water. Just doing the same thing, you guys. Just wrap it around, not forgetting to leave the loop because that's gonna help you to secure at the end. By the way, guys, for better results, for a more cleaner and neater like style, you can retwist your hair first before you do this. Now guys, I'm not obsessed with retwisting. Yeah, I love my hair like this. That's why I didn't retwist. Maybe next time I'll retwist first before I do this style, because the results are like way better if the hair is retwisted. Okay guys, I'm just gonna do the last one because guys, it's one and the same thing that I'm doing, so I just don't wanna bore you. So I'm just gonna do this last one and then do the rest of camera. Guys, we're almost done. There's only one left. Only one left, you guys. Just gonna do this last one with you guys. I'm spraying my hair with water because I feel like my hair is kind of drying. So I'm just spraying my hair with water, guys. Guys, I know I have to invest in in a spray bottle, so I need to buy a spray bottle. So guys, we're just gonna do the same thing. And guys, I love this style because it's not too tight. Like, yeah, I even forget, like, because right now I've had this style for a week as I'm talking to you guys. As I'm making this video, it's been a week with the style, and guys, I'm enjoying it. Like, I am enjoying it. I thought I was going to just leave it for 2 days, maybe for my locks to dry properly, but now no guys, I'm enjoying it. It's been a week already, but I think I'm just going to undo it tomorrow. And guys, after undoing this style, I am going to have some beautiful curls. So this style is just a 2-in-1, guys. Yeah guys, this is it. I'm done. We are done. We are done. Am I cute? Oh cute. I love it, guys. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are going to try this video. If you have locks, guys, be it long or medium locks, you can achieve this style. My hair is very long. Look at my hair. My hair is long, but I was able to achieve this style. And yeah, I love it, guys. I love it. Okay, guys, I love it. I love it so much. Guys, is this style nice? Oh, it's nice. Okay, guys, I'm done. Guys, see you on my next one. I love you guys. Bye. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Love you guys. Bye.